How to fix and solve if your Hacoo app is not working. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your Hacoo app is not working, you can try these troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. First and foremost, we need to check for the app updates. Ensure you have the latest version of Hacoo app, as updates often fixes the bugs and compatibility issue. To update, you can either visit Play Store and App Store or visit any of your preferred browser to search for the latest APK version of the Hacoo app. Second thing you need to do is restart the app. For this, you can clear all of the options and then relaunch Hacoo app. This way, it will refresh its memory and resolve minor software glitches. Third option you need to try is clear the app cache and data. For this, long press your Hacoo application and then go to app info. After that, tap on storage and cache and then on clear cache. Likewise, go to the previous page again and tap on permission. Make sure all the required and necessary permissions has been given. Likewise, ensure you have a stable internet connection. You can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to make sure that the connectivity issue is not there. However, if nothing works, make sure to delete the Hacoo app once and reinstall it. This way, it will ensure a fresh version of the app free from potential corruption. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.